Once a legend, now forgotten, waiting for its story to be rewritten.
The Ferrari emblem, a symbol of power and prestige, now hidden under years of neglect. The first touch begins its revival.
Years of sun and rain have taken their toll, leaving the Rosso Corsa paint chalky and faded. Its weave, both delicate and strong, speaks of speed and resilience. Every strand is a testament to engineering.
The corrosion on these hinges, the challenge of restoring such iconic hardware.
The torn seats, dust accumulation, and signs of long-term abandonment tell a story of neglect.
This leather has become brittle with age, the surface deeply fissured. You can feel the lost softness. The leather on this F40 steering wheel has seen better days, each crack and peel telling a story of past drives and years of neglect.
The heart of the F40, its twin-turbocharged V8, now sits silent, gathering dust and the slow patina of neglect.
Beneath this iconic 1987 Ferrari F40, the passage of time is etched in rust and grime.
The powerful jet reveals the iconic Rosso Corsa paint, each pass a step back to its former glory.
The foam spreads, gently lifting away the road's memory. Each bubble works, restoring the Rosso Corsa's true vibrance. The soft brush gently works the foam into the F40's engine cover vents, dislodging stubborn dust. With each pass of the microfiber, years of neglect dissolve, revealing the pristine glass beneath. The iconic five-spoke rim design is clearly visible, with textured metal surfaces reflecting subtle ambient light. With each pass of the brush, years of neglect begin to fade away, revealing the tire's true character. This emblem, a prancing horse, is not just a badge, it's a symbol of speed, precision engineering, and a rich racing heritage.
Now we are rinsing away all the loose dirt and remaining foam, revealing the F40's true finish.
Notice the fine cracks and dull patches on this oxidized Rosso Corsa paint. Tiny water droplets merge and begin to drip.
This F40's restoration is complete. The wear marks you see tell the story of its remarkable journey.
These seat bolts often seize up. A little penetrating oil beforehand can make this job much easier. Removing the driver's seat, notice the wear and the dust lifting from the aged interior. As we gently lift the carpet, the extent of the corrosion becomes evident. This is quite common. As we carefully loosen this screw, you'll notice the slight flecks in the aged dashboard plastic.
The instrument cluster displays vital information. Carefully disconnect the wires to avoid damage. With the correct socket, carefully loosen the central retaining nut. The clips secure the panel. Careful removal prevents damage. Notice the trim's condition.
Careful now. Look at all this dust underneath.
Here we are meticulously vacuuming the floor pan, removing years of accumulated dust and fine debris. All components have been removed for the restoration, revealing the car's raw, lightweight structure. With each pass of the brush, years of neglect are carefully stripped away, revealing the raw metal beneath.
The key here is maintaining consistent pressure and even passes to ensure a smooth, uniform surface for the next stage of restoration.
Oranges. The floor pan shows extensive corrosion, with rust flaking evident. Oranges. The floor pan shows extensive corrosion, with rust flaking evident.
As we carefully apply the rust-neutralizing liquid, you can see it begin to transform the oxidized metal.
Here we're applying a fine, even coat of primer to the repaired floor pan. This seals the metal.
The fresh primer now needs time to fully cure before the next stage of painting.
Every piece, from the smallest washer to the largest bolt, is cataloged and inspected. This ensures each component is perfect before reassembly. Examining the chassis integrity, we look for any signs of stress or corrosion, particularly around the mounting points. Currently, we're at the midpoint of this deep rebuild. You can see the extensive modifications and the areas prepped for the next stages.
The twin-turbo V8 is carefully detached, minding the fuel lines and electrical connectors. Safety first when handling this much power.
This twin-turbo V8 engine features a complex layout, with its dual turbochargers prominently visible. As we carefully loosen these valve cover bolts, you can see the attention to detail from the factory. These are the camshafts, crucial for engine timing. Notice the fresh oil coating the polished lobes.
Observe the polished aluminum piston head, noting the light carbon deposits and subtle oil residue clinging to the skirts.
The causes of carbon deposits can be numerous, affecting engine performance and requiring careful inspection techniques.
Today, we're honing the cylinder walls of this Ferrari F40 engine to achieve the perfect surface finish.
Careful polishing is essential to restore the precise surface finish required for optimal engine performance. Each bearing is carefully placed into its corresponding saddle, ensuring precise alignment. Aligning the new gasket carefully. Ensuring a perfect seal is crucial for engine performance and longevity.
We're carefully installing the piston into the meticulously honed cylinder of this Ferrari F40 engine. We're torquing these down to 22 foot-pounds, ensuring an even seal.
You can see the carbon buildup and oil residue. These will need a thorough cleaning before reassembly.
Here we're carefully cleaning the twin turbochargers, removing years of carbon buildup to restore their full potential.
Here we're carefully aligning the turbine housing, ensuring a perfect seal with the gasket for optimal performance. The heat discoloration you see is typical for these high-performance components. We'll start by gently removing the surface carbon. We're applying a factory-correct Rosso Corsa red to these iconic engine components. We're carefully reapplying the iconic Ferrari logo to the engine's valve cover, ensuring precise alignment.
Here it is, the fully rebuilt twin-turbo V8 engine from the legendary 1987 Ferrari F40, a masterpiece of engineering.
The engine aligns precisely with engine mounts, wiring harnesses, and chassis brackets.
Here are the suspension components from the F40, crucial for its handling and ride. Each part will be carefully inspected and restored.
Old bushings lose elasticity. This affects alignment and handling. We'll press out the worn one. Careful installation of fresh bushings into the suspension arms ensures precise alignment and optimal performance.
Meticulously cleaning these calipers reveals their precision engineering. Each surface is carefully tended to. Each layer is applied with precision, ensuring even coverage and adherence to the factory-accurate Rosso Corsa color.
Carefully, we apply steam to the chassis, loosening years of grime from the intricate components of this classic. Examining the chassis integrity, ensuring every weld and mounting point meets our exacting standards for restoration.
Each bolt, nut, and washer meticulously restored, reflecting the precision engineering of the Ferrari F40.
The sanding process begins by carefully preparing the surface, ensuring it's clean and free of contaminants.
Carefully align the caliper with the rotor and mounting brackets, ensuring precise positioning before tightening. Apply torque evenly.
Carefully feeling for any remaining imperfections before the final finishing coats.
Applying the body filler evenly to ensure a perfectly smooth surface for painting.
Grit selection is crucial at this stage. We're using a fine grit to gently smooth the primer. Every panel, window, and trim is covered with tightly stretched plastic sheeting and precision masking tape.
Even application ensures all sanding marks and filler areas are completely covered, preparing the surface for the next stage.
We're checking the surface smoothness and uniformity, looking for any imperfections.
We're applying a consistent, even coat, ensuring full coverage across the panel's contours.
Each smooth pass deepens the color, enhancing gloss and uniformity across the panel's curves and edges.
A slow, even pass ensures a consistent buildup of the clear coat for that deep, liquid gloss.
The heat lamps accelerate the curing process, allowing the clear coat to settle and achieve optimal gloss and hardness.
And as we peel back the tape, you can see that perfect, crisp line on the Rosso Corsa paint.
The key is maintaining consistent pressure and allowing the sandpaper to do the work. Water acts as a lubricant, carrying away particles. The machine's smooth motion ensures an even polish, gradually enhancing the paint's depth and clarity. Observe the deep, mirror-like reflections on this freshly polished Rosso Corsa paint. The light bends gracefully across the smooth curves.
Observe as we refine the surface, each circular pass removing imperfections, enhancing clarity.
Careful alignment is key. Each edge must be perfect. Steady pressure ensures a flawless finish. Careful brushing reveals the carbon fiber's intricate weave, each pass restoring its deep, lustrous finish.
We are now installing sound-deadening material across the floor, door panels, and rear bulkhead.
Notice the perfect alignment of the fibers, ensuring a seamless fit against the floor pan contours.
Guiding the restored seat into place, ensuring perfect alignment with the mounting points. Each bolt is tightened evenly for a secure fit.
Now, we carefully reinstall the dashboard, ensuring every panel aligns perfectly.
Now, the steering wheel is perfectly centered on the column. Notice the alignment of the red stitching, meticulously done. Watch as the door panels are carefully guided, aligning perfectly with the interior trim.
Applying proper torque ensures safety and optimal performance. Aligning the wheel correctly is crucial.
Slowly, the F40 is lowered. Alignment is checked, and a final inspection begins. Ensure the oil is poured slowly and deliberately to avoid spillage and allow air to escape.
Pressing the ignition, you can feel the precise engineering.
As the F40 idles, you can hear the distinct rumble from its quad exhausts, a signature of its powerful V8 engine. Observe the quad exhaust tips, polished metal showing slight discoloration from heat. Heat distortion ripples subtly above.
The sunlight dances over the Rosso Corsa paint, highlighting its aerodynamic lines and iconic rear wing. The Rosso Corsa paint, a glass-like finish, capturing crisp reflections of clouds, sunlight, and the surrounding environment. Its iconic silhouette and aerodynamic features define its timeless design.
The iconic F40 badge, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. Chrome and enamel, pristine and vibrant.
Its rear wing design, vent functionality, and aerodynamic impact are all carefully engineered.
Observe the meticulous finish of the brake assembly and the flawless rotation of the wheel.
Here we can appreciate the flawless alignment of the carbon fibers, a testament to the meticulous restoration process. Notice the polished twin-turbo V8 components, hoses neatly routed, and wiring harnesses perfectly aligned.
Here we have a pristine 1987 Ferrari F40, and notice the iconic Rosso Corsa paint and its aerodynamic curves. This meticulously restored 1987 Ferrari F40 showcases exceptional quality and timeless design features.
A timeless icon, the 1987 Ferrari F40, a masterpiece of aerodynamic design and raw